Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating the 11th year on eBay. Today's break is number 666. We're opening one box of 1415 ITG Ultimate Vault Memorabilia. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended May 23rd at 10:59 p.m. And according to timeanddate.com, it is currently 15 to 2 p.m. Sunday, May 24th. That's Eastern Time, local time in Toronto, Ontario. One box. ITG 1415. Just get better. First card, Nicholas Lidstrom, Ultimate Names, one of one. On the front of this card, a piece of game used, Nicholas Lidstrom, Detroit Red Wings, and your piece of hockey history. Ultimate Names. First card to Detroit. Second. No, wow. Nicholas Lidstrom again, hot batch. That's a first. That's a first of the patch. Okay, 11th edition, front of the card, Detroit Red Wings jersey. So wow, two cards. Those two. Red Wings. And third card, Joe Sakic, Colorado. Game used emblem. Nice patch. One of one red. Front of this card, a piece of emblem from game used Joe Sakic, Colorado Avalanche jersey. So I've got a patch for Colorado, Joe Sakic. A hot patch from Nicholas Lidstrom for Red Wings. And game used jersey of Nicholas Lidstrom, Detroit Red Wings. And that concludes our break number 666. Be sure to check out our other box breaks tonight between 8 and 10:30 p.m. We have another Ultimate Vault tonight that ends at 10:30. We also have some SP Game News, some classic signatures, 1213. It's a really beautiful product. Autos, hard signed of veterans and retired players. We got some certified. And that concludes our break for today. My name is Gilles. I thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.